Have you ever seen these golden curry blocks in your grocery store, but you're not sure how to use it? Let me show you. First, we're going to prep by cooking our white rice in a rice cooker. Set it and forget it. Next, we need to cut out 2 tablespoons of butter, thinly slice an onion, peel our garlic cloves. An easy way to do this is to take your knife and smash down on it a little bit, and then you can easily take off the skin. Now we're going to grate the garlic, and we'll add it to our bowl of sliced onions. Next, we're going to grate some ginger. Now in a separate bowl, we're going to have our potatoes and carrots. So peel your potatoes, slice the potatoes into cubes, and then slice your carrots. Next, we're going to mix our water. So it's going to be 1.5 cups of water, 1.5 cups of chicken stock. I'm going to use chicken bouillon, so I just did 3 cups of water all together with my chicken bouillon. And then 1/4 cup of sake. Now we are ready to start cooking. We're going to heat our pan to medium. Once it's heated up, we're going to drop in our butter and get that melted, but don't burn it. That's why it's on medium. Just melt the butter. Next, we're going to drop in all of our sliced onions with the grated garlic and ginger. Then we're going to add salt and pepper. Give it a mix, and we're going to cook these onions until they get brown-ish. This is about the color that we're looking for. You can continue to get them even more where you almost caramelize them. But this is where I'm going to add my carrots and potatoes. Give everything a mix all together just for like a minute or 2. Now we're going to add our liquid mixture in. Turn your heat to high and drop in your curry blocks. You need about the 4 square part. And we're just going to bring that to a boil and mix in those blocks till they're dissolved. Once it's boiling, then we reduce the heat to low and simmer away and let it dissolve and get to the consistency that you like. Some people like it a little bit more liquidy, some people like it more thicker. It's up to you. I'm going to serve my curry with tonkatsu. So I have my rice, my tonkatsu, and then the curry all over. And that's how you make Japanese curry. Anyway, till next time, bye!